Hi students, welcome to week 3 of English 103. I hope you are doing well. This week I wanted to share with you a mural from the school where I went, Cal State Northridge. And Northridge is really well known for having a lot of different murals on campus that help express the school's history and the school's values and culture. So I wanted to show one of those to you, especially since this week you'll have an opportunity to talk about whether or not COC should have a mural on campus to do some commemorating work as well. But we'll get to that in just a moment. Um, for our first couple weeks, we really focused on getting kind of accustomed to the class. So I'm hopeful that you feel comfortable finding where your assignments are on Canvas and logging in for our weekly meetings. If not, you're always welcome to contact me. But we also started working on our first essay topic about public art. As we move forward in week 3, we'll continue working on our essays. We'll continue building them up, but we will also start adding in lessons on critical thinking. So we'll be using your textbook from critical thinking to argument, and starting to practice use the skills that the book discusses. I also wanted to give a quick reminder that this week, Monday, September 7th, is the Labor Day holiday, so I will not be online. And if it's at all possible for you to take the day off and rest, I hope you do so, and enjoy that holiday time. I also wanted to share our typical weekly schedule with you, just so you can kind of see what the pattern of the semester is going to be. I've had a few students ask me different kind of scheduling questions, um, but our schedule stays pretty similar for the rest of the semester in terms of what we do on each day. So this is kind of for your own planning purposes. On Mondays and Tuesdays, you have time to read any articles or chapters that are assigned or watch any videos that are assigned. That's also when I reach out to you individually to check in and see how everyone's doing. Wednesdays, we have our live class session. Those are the only days we have our live class session, and it'll be always Wednesdays throughout the whole semester. And then on Fridays and Sundays, you have assignments due. Um, and the Sunday assignments are often replies. So if we have some kind of discussion assignment, your replies would be due on Sunday, or they're parts of your essay, a topic proposal, a review draft, a final draft. Those are the kinds of work that get turned in on Sundays. So as you are planning out your week, kind of think about those days as different due dates. I also try to post things early. So aside from the Wednesday live class sessions, you can do the other work ahead of time if Fridays and Sundays, for example, aren't working for you. So let's take a look at what we'll be doing this week. So here's our Canvas page. I've scrolled down to week 3 so you can see the work that we'll be doing this week. Starting with the readings and videos that are assigned. So you'll be watching this video as part of your weekly assignment. You'll read the first chapter from our textbook, From Critical Thinking to Argument, and also watch a short video on implicit bias. If you haven't had a chance to get our textbook yet, Amazon does have a really generous book preview that's available where you can read the first chapter. So if you're not able to get a hold of that first chapter right away, Amazon's the way to do it. And I gave you the link here so that you can access the book. When we meet live on Wednesday the 9th, we'll be doing writing exercise for Essay 1, and we'll also talk about developing a critical thinking process, which is based on the chapter from the book. And then your out of class work this week is to do discussion board 1. And your discussion board question kind of jumps off with the question, should College of the Canyons commission a mural to honor the original Native American inhabitants of the land, the Fernandino Tataviam Band? But in the discussion board, you're not giving us your argument. You are thinking about some of the different issues surrounding that mural. So we would kind of start with the who cares, who's this important for? What's the purpose of the mural? Um, think about the implicit bias video and how might those biases impact the discussion of the mural, and then reflect on your own topic for essay 1. How will the readings for the week impact your argument or your writing process for that first essay. So this is a written discussion board, unlike the Flipgrid discussion. You'll be typing directly onto Canvas. You'll have your original post is due Friday, September 11th, and then you'll have replies to your classmates due on Sunday, September 13th. And that's it. That's the work for week 3. If you have questions or if there's anything I can help out with, please feel free to reach out to me via text or email. You can also come to see me during student hours. I am very happy to work with you. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.